in Mumbai. See, Jamshedpur has a problem like Kanpur has. So people don't want to waste time coming to Kolkata, as it is Mamta is there. Then from there you will take a train and come to Jamshedpur, and all the Naxals are waiting to greet them on the way. Okay. So, because of putting in a lighter way, but these are common between Kanpur and Jamshedpur. That was one solution. So perhaps this would be of some use.
Right, 4 decades ago. But I can tell you the thing that has transformed most of us was the 5 years that we spent on the IIT campus. And even to this day, if I have a question and I need an answer about something, okay, I can turn to my IITK network, I can ask my friend Tarun Desai in Bombay about any question and he will answer me. Okay, I can turn to my friend Vinay Agarwal, who's a accomplished executive, CEO of many companies. He will give me great guidance, whatever, and he knows he can turn to me. Likewise, all the 200 people in our batch, some of whom we knew so well that we have to keep quiet in front of our spouses because we can embarrass each other even to this day. And some that we don't know so well, right? But we continue to maintain those bonds. So I think one of the things to really remember is that you will look back, hopefully 40 years from now, and you will have better networking, already with Facebook and LinkedIn you do, but you will stay connected. Nothing in Facebook that could not have been done right here, right? There's nothing about Google that could not have been done right here today, right? So I think you folks shouldn't see yourselves as being limited to, I got a job with, Boston Consulting Group or Infosys or whatever, and that should make me happy. The world is your stage. We did not have that, we didn't know what McKinsey was, when we were graduating, and you have that chance today. Okay, so you have a lot higher expectations, I think, from the world today.
That was for the cream of the country.
What's cream of the country? The cream of the sea. I get very
country को change करना.
Country. See, I think we feel limited when we talk about just accomplishments within
words. See, these problems cannot be solved by the bureaucracy itself. Maybe people like us, through self-discipline, we can make a lot of difference. That means, what is it I can do? What is that I can do? There are many things what we can do without depending on others' help, others' involvement. So that's from that angle, we have started a movement called BDS movement, Build a Dynamic Society. That's what I am campaigning, and the message is given here. Here, what we do is very simple. I don't waste. I don't waste. What you don't waste? What you are using, you don't waste. What are things we use? What we use? We use water, we use energy, we use food, and there are so many things. So these things, you are using it. So when you are using them, can you control not to waste that time? Is it possible or not? Today we are wasting the food, okay? Because about 25 years back, when I was in an international conference, I asked the 5-star portal where this conference was held. He said for 350 participants or delegates who are coming, he is making food for 500 people. I asked why so much. They said because so much food is going as a waste. We have to make the food for that much quantity. So I was wondering what are things. So we started this type of movement, and now it is going in a big way. Now, when we make this one, what happens to us? We have to do a lot of planning. When you make declaration that I don't do waste, so you have to do a lot of planning. When the food is bad also you should be able to eat. When the food is bad also you should be able to eat. So when the food is good you eat, but when it's bad, salt is more. What we do? We waste. So because of your commitment, you don't have any liberty to waste. So indirectly what is happening to you? Because you should not waste. Now you are doing a lot of planning in advance. That I should not. So limited things you take it. And you know the quality of the food, what you are going to eat in advance itself. Because you are regularly eating the same master. So like that there are so many things can happen. Take the case of water also. We take bath daily. How much water we take?
Okay, 70%. I mean, department-wise. So we'll negotiate and settle for 60%. Okay. Now it's like this. See, a lot of these guys came back, like our friend Tarun here, Pradeep, and others can also raise their hands if they so desire. Anil Gupta, yes, correct. So they've come back, they've set up industries, okay? Some medium, some small, some large, whatever. But the point is, when they were going out there, it was to excel in whatever they wish to do, to learn. And they've come back and they're doing a lot. Now, there are people who never went. Maybe they were lazy like me. Okay, we are working. Okay, we are also, I would say, in our own ways, whether we are working in the corporate sector or we have our own businesses, we are contributing by, contributing to the wealth of the country. So to that extent, we are, I would say, doing something for the country. Now there are people who are more committed than I am, and they have their own NGOs and social things like Anil is doing Parivartan. Okay, so I think in our own ways we are doing something. Is what I would like to say. But having said that, is that enough or can more be done? I think I'll leave my batchmates to answer with this wish.
Image of India and US. You can.
Sorry?
What you have been doing in US.
Look, if you excel in something, so you have, people say that the Indo-US nuclear agreement, etc., really happened because there's so many Indians and there was a pressure point. Then you have people like Gunji here who are helping foreign companies to come and bring technology into the country and do stuff, and so on and so forth. And even if you are living there, okay, there are many things which you do, which in one way or the other impact the society here, either through your family or through otherwise. Important thing is to, I feel, really excel in what you are doing. And a little bit add to that, go away from the question and a little bit add on my own. You see,
Familiar with Crompton Greaves, the company, electrical, big major giant. So the chairman of the company's son was a graduate from IIT Bombay. So he asked him, he says, Dad, what do you think I should do? He said, I don't care what you do. This is before he came to IIT. He says, whatever you do, be the best. For all I care, you could be a mochi, but be the best damn mochi in the world. And that's what it is. So you know what that boy is now? He did IIT Bombay, he went to Sloan, did his PhD, and he's the Dean of the Harvard Business School. How is he contributing to society, to India? He meets the heads of the states of every country in the world, and the reputation of India is enhanced by that. So he's living there, he graduated, IIT graduate, but, so he's not here, he's still contributing to India in a very large way.
The DM and DIG of Kanpur are IIT Kanpur alumni. So essentially, even if I become a great engineer, I will think that I'm contributing towards my country. But as we perceive from what others think of us, we feel that there is a lot of question laid on us that what are we actually contributing. And to that we do not have an answer that should we actually go out on the road and clean the roads and this is what is expected from us or what actually.
Actually, you have to be best in your area. See, you are in mechanical, then you have to concentrate on your own discipline. Now, when you get the job, you are just a mechanical engineer. But as you aspire ahead, you will be required to know many branches of engineering. Like when I graduated from aerospace, my dream was to work in aerospace company. And I worked for all the aerospace projects which took place in India, in this country. Now we see that not only the aerospace knowledge is required, even the mechanical engineering knowledge, electrical engineering knowledge, computer engineering knowledge, interfacing knowledge, all that is required for me to get the companies like Boeing to work. They come here for their work. They are saying, when their chief came here, they said, IIT Kanpur technician and staff who had worked, their working efficiency is 4 times compared to the US. And we asked them, our dean asked them, why did you come to IIT Kanpur to get your work? We have a 3 crores deal with the Boeing company. They said, you see, it's cheap here, and I'm paying just 1/4. Same work it will cost me 4 times if I do it in person. So we have to become competitive. To become competitive, this is your learning phase. Not even a single course you can omit. You have to be best in each and every course, whatever you are studying. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm Chandra. I'm here all the time in IIT only.
My name is Anil Sinha, and I think what Rajesh has answered, if I understood you correctly, your question was that when people outside ask you and tell you that you are not contributing or you guys go abroad and all kinds of things, then you get confused. What is it that we have to do? Should we go out on the streets and clean the streets to prove that we are contributing? Was that your question?
Yes, exactly.
A lot of my friends and colleagues here have emphasized the very crux of the matter, which is, and Vinay put it very well, when he said that forget about everything else, just focus on
what, and try to bring that forth. Like even today, if somebody was, citing poems, etc., he's good in that. So that's why he was put on the stage for that particular. Now, I think the moment you try to focus with trying to do it well and enjoy doing it, and the way I've always approached any job that I've been in is that to try to, leave it better than what it was when I joined it. Now, what I would like you to relate that IIT Kanpur, particularly because I'm from this institute, it trains you to take on any kind of challenge, any kind of responsibility, any kind of job. Just yesterday when I was introducing myself, I said, "Maine bahut papad bele hain." I started off with the core industry, aluminium. I joined Indal. Good old days, it was part of Alcan, a multinational. Then I went on to join Brook Bond into coffee, tea, and then Hindustan Unilever, where I spent most of my working life. Again, a variety of jobs because Unilever, they transfer you every 2 years into a different assignment. So every area of Unilever, because I was there for a long time. Then Pepsi in Russia, and then finally in Larsen & Toubro in engineering design services outsourcing, which an initiative that they had started. And now I'm into hotels and resorts and heading that division in Delhi. So I mean, each job and each assignment has been totally different from the other. And at each stage, I've only moved up. So it's not, I would say, IIT trains you to have the confidence that you can do it. And what is important is that whatever you do it with a lot of passion, do it so that you enjoy it, and do it as a team.
Okay, I think Sangha, and I'm a software entrepreneur. And I'm not going to repeat what I totally agree with, which has been repeated over and over again, is do the best you can be and don't worry about the contribution part, and that will all come later. But to be the best you can be, let me just say this to you, that you can seek out and find the best people to network with today. So some of you are building cars and you're already networking with people in other universities or other places. And that's what you have today for you that we didn't have at that time, which is the ability to find people with similar interests. So once you find your passion, don't limit yourself to the locality or the city or the country, because it is possible for you to network and find the best people you can and interact with them and learn from them and participate with them. So there are people in America who are interested in yoga and they come to India because that's what their passion is. So you might be here and you might have a passion in helicopters or robots, and you might find that somewhere in Switzerland is where the people have with similar interests, and that's where you go to and you network with them. And there are many ways of networking. You can go there, you can be on groups, you can interact with them in a variety of ways. So as the world has shrunk, as your opportunities have increased, and your opportunity to find people who are similar to your interests, whatever they might be. And that's what I would say. If you want to be the best and network with the people who are, wherever they might be, who have similar interests, so you can grow in the process.
As we have the limited time, I will...
Once upon a time, there was Maggie's Canteen, where we used to drink a chai or two. Remember? How we laughed away the hours and think of all the great things we would do. Just today, I stood before the old canteen. Nothing seemed the way it used to be. In the glass, I saw a strange reflection. Was that middle-aged man really me? Those were the days, my friend. We thought they would never end. We would sing and drink forever and a day, for we were young and sure to have our way. We would live the life we would choose. We would fight and never lose. Oh, my friends, we are older, but no wiser. For in our hearts, the dreams are still the same. For in our hearts, the dreams are still the same.
आया है मुझे फिर याद बुलाने, गुजरा ज़माना बचपन का, आए रे अकेले छोड़ के जाना, और जाना बचपन का, आया है मुझे फिर याद बुलाने।
and a drink with the frost. Relive it just this time, for you can walk down that path but once. And as you pass, pause for a moment and savor its essence in vivid, indelible transience.
है कुछ गीतों के साथ में आप सभी के साथ। लेकिन मैं तो कहना नहीं चाह रहा हूँ आप सभी के लिए क्योंकि मैं नस्ल को जानना हमको मेरा लगता है ऐसा मेरा
Come, Benaji.
Come sit. मुझे चाहोगी उम्र भर यूं ही उठेगी मेरी तरफ प्यार की नजर यूं ही मैं जानता हूँ कि तू है मगर यूं ही सिमट रही है तो शर्मा जी की बाहों में सिमट रही है तो शर्मा के अपनी बाहों में कभी कभी
मैं जब भी हूँ यहाँ वैसे गीत गाने के
उस
Bye.
फिर आपके नसीब
छाप देंगे आप जब तक सलामत
दिल प्यार महफिल है यही तुमको जाने जाओ मेरी जान सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को लहू निकलता दूंगा हंसी लबों की डाली को सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को लहू निकलता दूंगा हंसी लबों की डाली को है वफा फिर जहाँ एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना चुरा लिया है तुमने वो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदलना चाहा सनम ओ मेरी आदत और मेरा दिल आए दिल देकर मुझको चुरा लिया है तुमने वो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम
So few lines from one of those books have stayed in my mind actually, which I can narrate before you. And you might be able to appreciate the contrast between that single individual faces and this vivid theme of examining the duality of human nature. The physical dimension versus the spiritual dimension. There is a constant conflict until we die, actually. The conflict is not done. So there is a dialogue between a thinker and an artist. The person who is more given to physical aspects, the sensual world, who is an artist, he goes to a monastery where and he tries to befriend a person named Narcissus, and the other guy's name is Goldman. So Narcissus brings out the contrast between a thinker and an artist in these words. Okay. So few lines I will narrate before you. Narcissus tells Goldman that you are a thinker, you are an artist and I am a thinker. You sleep on mother's breast while I wake up in desert. You are in the danger of drowning into the world of senses, and ours is the danger of suffocating in a careless void. For me, the sun shines, for you, the moon and stars. So, I mean, these are really sheer poetry actually. So, around 1981 or 82, I was in US doing my PhD, and I had a Pakistani friend. So, two lines from the song of Talib Mahmood, he put before me like this. I think we all have heard that song. So there are two lines in between where the Aise Ashik Ka Kaya. Now, what is so special about these lines was explained to me by that Pakistani friend, that often the poet compares what is abstract with respect to what is more concrete, such as moon and stars, flowers, and so on. These are beautiful objects to look at, and the beauty of ideas is often compared with that. Here the sequence is reversed. ये रुपैली छाँव ये आकाश पर तारों का जाल, जैसे सूफी का तसव्वुर, जैसे आशिक का ख्याल. That means the philosopher's imagination and आशिक का ख्याल. So these things apparently are better understood, and the poet is comparing the beauty of nature against those. That is special about these lines, in contrast to two lines of Neeraj, which some of us, most of us cannot. Thank you. I can't leave my monthly loyalty.
ये तो कानपुर का ही है ये भी कानपुर है अभी ये लोग चल अगली बार मीट होगा तो बट यू हैव टू बहुत लोग यहाँ पे
ये सब व्यू टेक कर ली सब लोग एक एक रोल हाँ गए चलिए तो खींचना पड़ता है
सर एंगल बनाना पड़ा
ब्रजेश चंद्रा ब्रजेश Deepak Sharan, I think he just left, right? Deepak Sharan. Deepak Uppal.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you. Yes, you will. Sure. If you come to Delhi, please do get in touch.
Coming.
बिना ऑर्डर बुला रहे हो?
नहीं बिना ऑर्डर के नहीं, बीच वाले सब चले गए।
Yeah, absolutely.
निर्मल अग्रवाल। You already got it? Photo खिंचवा लो। I picked it and forgot it and then give back. राजू अग्रवाल is there. राजवर्धन अस्थाना साहब।
वो रूम पे है।
राकेश बंसल।
Welcome and thank you. Yesterday we missed you.
Ravi Krishnan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
See you again very soon.
Dinesh Sharma. अच्छा ही कृष्णा केजरीवाल। अजय बनर्जी। आलोक वर्मा। धूमल कृष्ण राव।
Thank you. See you again.
And Alok just joined us, right? Alok Agarwal.
The mystery man.
The mystery man.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
Did I miss anybody?
Please come.
I had to kind of.
Miss Anil Gupta.
नहीं वो आप don't worry about that.
आप लोग उधर I'll take a photo for all of
Okay then.
yourself.
Okay.
Thank you very much for all your efforts. We really enjoy.
Asthana ji.
ये लोग सुबह नहीं थे. Just a minute. We just take a photo.
Yeah, sure ना. आकाश आओ. आ जाओ. आओ यार. हाँ ये right.
राजवर्धन अस्थाना। सही समय पे आप कमरे में चले जाते हैं.
Okay, on behalf of the Alumni Association and of course the Institute, personal behalf, thank you so much for coming. And I'm making an announcement that we are initiating a donor on call program, which means, and I've taken the liberty of including all your names in that program. So please let us know the cause for which you would be inclined or you'd like to support the Institute or the Alumni Association, whatever it is. It could be students, it could be social responsibility, it could be a project, whatever it is. And we'll call you whenever there is a need for that. And I'm sure all of you will oblige. Thank you so much for coming. Look forward to seeing you again.
सर एक ग्रुप हो जाएगा पूरा.
I think they want a group photograph.
चलो चलो चलो.
आइए आइए आइए.
Never felt so important.
वो कह रहे हैं टोपी वाला एक आदमी. प्रवीण जी आप भी आइए ना. थोड़ा सा कम.
That too at the back end of the life.
एक कोई टोपी वाला नहीं.
Next time some of us will be around. टोपी वाले के बगल में.
Yeah. गिरे गिरे गिरे. This is the need. So I think both need it. Both IIT Kanpur and KDF. Somehow वो एक चलो. हो गया.